We're doing an evaluation on the VANTRUE Dash Cam R3. This is my opinion, my evaluation. Purchased it off of Amazon. Here's the ad. And it states that it's 1080p by 60 frames per second. Now we have the unit. We're going to physically turn it on and get into the menu. Okay, here's the resolution. The first one that we have is a 1920 by 1080 by 30 frames per second. Next, 2304 by 1296 by 30 frames per second. Next is 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. They only have 4 modes on this, so we only have one more. And the next is 1280 by 720 by 60 frames per second. So the ad is not what they're selling. So they misquoted the ad or trying to mislead. My next problem is my audio issues. Here I am sitting in a parking lot, feeding my face, and I have the radio up quite loud. And yeah, as you can hear the audio, it's pathetic. It doesn't work very well at all. And actually the camera, it was a nasty night. Actually the video for the dark did not come out too bad. Actually the video is pretty good. Well, I think Duke Energy discriminates against American citizens. But the audio is no good at all. And it sounds like you got a piece of duct tape over the microphone. Here we are, we're traveling, and as you can see, nighttime, raining, wipers, the picture's not that bad. But the audio, if you're going to buy this thing, you're not buying it for audio, because I do not recommend it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.